for the men's 100 meters final. We've got some young rising sensations headed by Oblique Seville and Akeem Blake in lanes 3 and 4 respectively. Will there be or could there be a surprise?
Set.
In the set position. Off they go. Very, very good start by Blake. Seville is there as well. Blake and Seville. Raheem Ford is on the premises as well, storming forward. Rohan Watson may have created a stunning upset. Oh, it was close. It was very, very close. It was desperately close. You could spread a blanket over them at the finish. We wait for the official results, but I tell you something. Rohan Watson has created a massive, a stunning upset in 9.91 seconds. A new personal best for him. A scintillating performance. Ford second in 9.96. Seville could only have managed the third. What a shocker.